What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven and I am back with another voltage video for you guys. Volt Inu has continued to crush it throughout the bear market and it is continuing to develop. The community keeps growing. One of the most bullish projects in the micro cap space right now, and I have no doubt it's gonna take the crypto space by storm. Volte Change has been live for a bit now and people are already using Volte Change to burn their favorite meme coins, which in turn would burn Volte Inu as well, making it hyper deflationary. One of the best assets in the space, definitely will be a bull market center. Now before we continue the video, if you hold Volt, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Meme Coin Daily at 833 subscribers. Let's get to 900 subscribers, guys. I'd really appreciate it. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Now when we head over to Dex Tools and take a look at the top 10 trending peers, it's not a day that goes by that I don't see Volt trending number 10 on Dex Tools, guys. It is a phenomenal project and I know the future for Volt is very bright. When we take a look at the Volt chart on the 1 hour, we could see it was on a huge move to the upside, a huge run with the anticipation of Volte Change, and then we got a correction by the rumor, sell the news, you know what I'm saying. As soon as it released, people got out of the project. They're lost, guys, because this project will be going way beyond anyone's expectations in the future. So we had a correction and then we got to a certain level and then we just moved right back up again. People caught that dip. That was their entry to get in the Volt around 60-70 million market cap, around there. That was a nice entry for new investors to get in. Now we're back up here and we're going to be in an accumulation phase at the $103 million market cap range. We'll be moving from accumulation once again to more massive moves to the upside, because when you take a look right here, guys, we're making higher lows on the Volt chart. You know what I'm saying? You could see it right here. We have a very bullish pattern for Volt. The whales in Volt are super based. The community is super based. Votoshi super based. Like, everything about the project just screams multi-billion-dollar market cap. But you'll have to exercise some patience because the market is in a huge downturn right now. We still are in a bear market, but the mere fact that Volt was able to push to the upside in a bear market, just imagine what will happen when the market is bullish, when we have a bunch of new people getting into the crypto space once again, just like how we had that peak season that we did with Doge and Shiba, Kishu, Feg, Akita, all of them moving to the upside, right? There's gonna be that season once again. I can't stress it enough, guys. Just be patient. Wait until the Fed pivots and starts reducing interest rates, and who knows, they actually might even stimulate the market just like they did in the COVID crash, you know what I'm saying? And when that happens, it will be a bull market season like we've never seen before. Bitcoin will be definitely, no doubt in my mind, Bitcoin will be on its way to 80k to 100k, you know what I'm saying? Ethereum to 10k, and Volt multi-billions of market cap, because there's gonna be so many new people getting into Uniswap, learning about projects, and they'll see how strong and how based the community of Volt is, spreading the message of Volt everywhere. Every time I open crypto Twitter, I see Volt. You know what I'm saying? If someone new enters the crypto space, more than likely, because of how based you guys are as the Volt community, more than likely they've definitely seen Volt. I could already see right now when Doge is on its way to $1, Shiba is going absolutely insane. Projects like Volt will be like the bread and butter for new investors, because they'll be like, dang, I missed Doge, dang, I missed Shiba, what is a next good project that I could get into? And Volt will be right there on a centralized exchange of their choice. They'll be like, oh, it's on this exchange, I don't really know how to use Uniswap, let me get it on this exchange. You know what I'm saying? I could already see it going into the bull market, guys. And you know, thanks to Votoshi, the huge Volt army, Pablo, Jake, Rodney, Believes Crypto, everyone that is making content about Volt, everyone, Volte developing the project, you guys as a community spreading the word on all social media platforms, crushing it on Twitter. Volt will be melting faces in the future, no doubt in my mind about that. When we hop over to the official Volte Inu Twitter, we have 119k followers. We'll be at 500k to 1 million followers before you know it. Some pinned tweet from the official Volt Twitter: due to the Volte traffic you brought, the Volte Change website has to be switched to a new domain, as it was the fastest way to increase its capacity. Here is the new domain, voltechange.net. We will connect both domains as soon as we get the allowance to do so. You read that carefully, guys. Read that carefully, right? Due to the Volte traffic you bought, they had to switch domains. Just to show you how much people have been using Volte Change and how much of a success it is. People are burning their meme coins that they love and using Volte Change to scoop up as much Volt as they can, which then adds an extra layer of burning mechanisms to Volt itself, making it hyper deflationary, guys. It is insane when you think about it. The supply squeeze on Volt. Imagine when Ethereum traffic at Ethereum is getting to its all-time highs, and ETH 2.0, the merge, starts taking effect with the EIP burn, right? And the coins of ETH being staked. ETH will go through this crazy supply squeeze with all those gas fee transactions. A bunch of ETH will be burned. All of that upside that is happening to ETH and its ecosystem. Think about peak Volte Change transactions, you know what I'm saying? Peak FOMO bull season Volte Change transactions taking place. How much Volt will be burned? That supply squeeze, that supply crunch will be something magnificent, y'all, and you can't rule out the crazy upside that could happen for Volt in the future, in the next maybe year or two, you know what I'm saying? Another tweet from stex.com: welcome Volte Inu, Volt to STEX, time to trade. And once again, Volt just keeps getting these exchange listings. It's not difficult for people that are new to crypto or crypto in general to get access to Volt, and with all of that trade volume, it's only a matter of time until future tier 1 exchange listings happen for Volt, guys. It's gonna be insane. Tweet from XLPay crypto wallet: hey Volte Inu holders, you can send, receive, or hodl Volt on XLPay wallet. You can also book your travel from XL trip on XLPay wallet using Volt, BTC, XLD, and other cryptocurrencies. The use cases for Volt is just going through the roof as well, guys. So it's listed on this new wallet, XLPay, so you could hodl your Volt on there and also use Volt to book travel. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this project is so bullish. I've never seen anything this bullish. The community, man, you guys, Volt Army are one of the best communities in the space, if not the best community in the space, and I can't stress that enough. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you've given me on my YouTube videos as well, and the other content creators as well. I really can't wait to see when the market turns around, we get more bullish once again. All the content creators that are making videos on Volt, their videos will be pushed, you know what I'm saying, to the YouTube algorithm, just like how when people that were making videos on Shiba, their videos were being pushed, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a crazy time. Also with Volte Change, a lot of people are using Volte Change to help burn Shiba, you know what I'm saying, and to reduce Shiba supply as well. That is such a top tier utility in the space, because people in the microcap space, the meme coin space, really love their projects being burned. They love burn mechanisms. They love the psychology of reducing their project supply, which makes Volte Change a super utility in the space. Wallet connections on Volte Change over the last 7 days. Volume and burn amounts will be added to the website in the coming days. Look at all of these transactions, guys. It is crazy. It blows my mind to see the usage of Volte Change, right? And this is all helping to burn Volt as well, right? Man, long term, it's gonna be blowing people's minds, guys. It's gonna be melting faces left and right. I already see it, man. We have a tweet from CRG, 93.6k followers. Volt has outperformed pretty much everything this month in a bear market. In a bear market, guys. Think about that, right? Think about a bull market. This is due to the Volte Change launch. Their deflationary DEX is live on ERC and BEP20. 0.25% of every trade is used to buy back and burn Volt. Watch this space. There's a video graphic here for us as well, guys. Volte Change, deflationary DEX, utility, guys. This is how you are developed in a space. For 11 months now, Volt has been out and has listed on close to almost 100 exchanges, right? Voltoshi's a genius, you know what I'm saying? Building throughout the bear market. This is what you love to see. Community, you guys are super based and bullish as well. Another tweet from Obi-Wan Koinobi. Volt is so full of voltage, even the chart has formed a lightning bolt. So it is revealed, so it shall be. Come join us, get your bag. Volte Change release is just the beginning. I can't even imagine what else is in store for Volt after Volte Change. Volte Change being such a huge, you know, use case in this space. All the meme coins on Volte Change, every time they're gonna be using Volte Change to get their tokens burned, man. They're gonna be using it so much. Massive automatic burns for Volt and all ERC20 and BEP20 tokens. And as you guys can see from this lightning bolt pattern, it looks like we're about to have another break to the upside, guys. Volt Army, once again, thank you guys so much for the support that you've given me on my channel and my Volt videos. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot. I'd really appreciate it, Volt Army, if you guys could continue to support me as well. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out, and share this video on social media as much as you do for everything that involves Volt, guys. I'd really appreciate it. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt Inu, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.